Hello, welcome back to my channel Chic Stylish Style. Today's tutorial will be a different video in which I will show you 3 different look in a one eye makeup. For today's look, I'm gonna quickly prime my eyelid with the Swiss Beauty concealer in shade 07, which has a little bit of yellow tone. I'm blending with the PAC 219 brush. After blending the concealer, I'm gonna set that concealer in a place to prevent it from creasing. So I'm using Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette for the today's look and picking that white shadow from that palette. Moving next, picking that lightish orangey kind of shadow with the same brush. I'm buffing it above my crease line as a transition shade, giving a circular motion to get a most lightest coverage of that shadow. I'm mostly focusing on my outer V area of my eyelid. After picking light brown shadow with the help of small blending brush, packing it on my outer edge of eye and blending it softly toward my crease area to give a soft contour to my eyelid. Then picking that darkest brown shadow with the help of flat angular brush, I'm creating a soft wing with that color of shadow, and also joining with my lower waterline only outer half of my eyelid to give a false eyeliner look with a soft brown effect so that it can be wearable for the day look. For the center of eyelid, packing with this pressed shimmer, which is a golden color, to give more pop up to my eye makeup. For inner corner, I applied that white shadow which I use for setting my concealer. Next step is camouflaging my face with orange color corrector to hide any imperfection on my skin, like my dark spots, hyperpigmentation around my mouth, all over where I need a coverage. And the corrector is from my Glam 21. It is a liquid color corrector, orange color corrector. You have to wait for a while to get it dry. After that, you blend it with a beauty blender. If you blend it quickly after applying it, it will soak up with the beauty blender and doesn't give you a great coverage, and still feel then your hyperpigmentation will be peak out after you apply foundation. So preventing it that from, you have to wait for a while to dry. After concealer, then you have to wait for another 1 or 2 minutes to get it dry, set up on your skin to apply your foundation. If you don't, then your foundation will turn orange after mixing with that color corrector. For setting my base, I used a LA color highlight and contour palette and that white shade to set my whole face. And for brightening my face, using same concealer used for priming my eyelid to my under eye, nose bridge and up forehead and cupid bow. and setting that concealer with the same powder to prevent it creasing. Setting is the major key for this look because it is a day makeup look. and and contouring as well with the same LA Colors palette. You will definitely get fed up with this lip liner because this is so versatile lip liner because it goes with every color of lipstick, and a deep skin tone should have at least this color of lipstick, and this is from Swiss Beauty in dark chocolate. I literally wear it on every lipstick, and this is my favorite lip liner. Voila, and this is the first look. You can wear it on a day basis, and it is so simple and easy without falsies. You can also wear it, and this is so cute looking caramel makeup look. I love this first look. For changing it to day to night look, you only need a gold pencil like this. This is from Wet n Wild. I'm gonna create a V at my tear duct and also line my lower waterline and upper lid to give more definition to my eye. And here is the night look. You can wear it on your night basis, and night look so bold and yet elegant also. For changing it into a bolder look, I'm gonna take that darkest brown shadow and smudging with my lower waterline with that black coal color, and also deepening my outer V with that brown shadow to get a bold appearance look. Hope you enjoyed this 3 look in a one makeup, and if you do so, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.